for you. If alam niyo po, if familiar kayo sa story ni Miss Maritoni Fernandez, ito po yung tumulong sa kanya sa cancer niya. Nag-barley siya ng barley, talagang religiously she was taking this one this specific one. So nakatulong to sa kanya. Who else ang natulungan nitong barley na to? Huwag na po tayong lumayo, si Robin. You're taking that, sabi ni Majen 23, I'm taking that, Miss Mariel. Very good. Very good. Si Robin, meron siyang hyperacidity, meron siyang GERD. So there are so many food that he cannot eat kasi nagtitrigger yon. Tomatoes, chocolate, caffeine, citrus items, hindi siya makakain ng ganun. Ngayon, because twice a day po, he is taking this organic barley. Nakakapag-chocolate na siya. Ang ganda na nang nangyayari sa kanya. So, it is super duper duper effective. And even for me, when I take it 30 minutes before any meal,